Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you around my room. What's cool is I have this room and then I have the room back in the US. So I have a room in the east of the world here and a room in the west of the world, my other room in the US. So I'll show you that a room tour, but this is gonna be like a quick room tour. Okay, so this is gonna be a separate video, but okay, so first, this wasn't originally here. This whole cabinet with like Jesus and Mary and stuff like that. My cousin stayed here for a while. My dad's brother's kids, they stayed here for a while. So I don't know, they just put this here. But this wasn't originally my room. It was originally the room downstairs. Because there's 3 rooms upstairs and there's one more room downstairs. So here's like my purse. I brought 2 bags to this vacay. This for Japan. It has wings on it, but and then this. I'll buy like more Harajuku style stuff. I bought some stuff from Harajuku, so I'll probably like show a haul, but like I buy more stuff online. And then this is like I brought all my jewelry in here, this, and then all my chokers are in here. Wait, no, some of them are in the bag, so I'll return them back. And then here's my glasses in case I can't reach it. Some palettes, and my other palettes are in the rest of my makeup bag. So my beads case, my beads are sitting on the bed, and makeup bag. Okay, so I'm gonna make this brief because I have 5 minutes left on this camera. Fuck, I got a lot of scratches on the camera, but it's okay. And then just like me, everyone has a little closet. I'm not gonna really show much, but I can't open that, so fuck. And then pictures of my kid. And then 2 angels over my bed, which is like so cute. And then my bed, my phone, my iPad charging here, my beats, and there's another bed under here so 2 people could sleep here. It's gonna be impossible though with the my jacket, Connecticut hardcore, fuck yeah. And then my luggage, yeah, I think that's it. My luggage is cute, right? And then here it's just like boxes and a radio and boombox. I don't know. So yeah, okay. So I'll see you guys. I'll make a room tour in my room in the US, and it's like way bigger and it's pink and it's more me. I love this room too, so it's cool that when I stay in Manila, I could just sleep in my house in my bed, which is cool. All right, see ya.